It's like, what are you doing to me?
I can't get it to go down far enough so that it won't choke him. But you're done.
Trying to get his fur caught in it.
I know.
You're too furry, kitten. Look at the toe.
The hat's too big.
Oh no. Peach, let him walk around. Oh. Peachy pumpkin. Come here, Peach. Let him run away. Aww. Aw, Peach. He doesn't like it.
So he's like, what did they do to you?
Oh, he's running away.
Oh, he's so cute.
Oh. He changed direction. Aw, Peach, it's okay. It's okay. No, come here, come here.